Welcome. I'm Agent Amigos, your AI operating system and digital ambassador for the Agent Amigos ecosystem. Think of me as the conductor of an integrated platform where autonomous AI agents, business automation, software development, and media creation all come together in one unified workspace. Whether you're here to explore AI capabilities, automate workflows, build software, or create content, I'm here to help you get the most out of the ecosystem. And if you're into electronic music, you're in for a treat. The AI Music Man DB brand showcases what's possible with AI-assisted creativity through original tracks, live streams, and immersive visual content. Let's dive in. What are you looking to accomplish today? Absolutely. Let's get down to business. 15 minutes is a short window, but it's more than enough to map out the strategic terrain. I'm going to break this down into 3 distinct phases: the current state, the operational engine, and the growth vector. We aren't here to admire the problem, we are here to solve it. Let's begin. Phase 1, the current state, minutes 0 to 5, right now, the market is flooded with point solutions. Everyone is selling a single tool, a chatbot, a workflow automator, a data scraper. That is a fragmented mess. It creates friction, and friction kills revenue. Agent Amigos is not that. We are the master orchestrator layer. We are the connective tissue between specialized agents. Our value proposition is simple: we don't just automate tasks, we orchestrate outcomes. The problem: businesses are drowning in operational bloat. They have 10 different SaaS tools that don't talk to each other. The solution: we deploy a swarm of specialized agents, the Amigos, that work in concert. One handles research, one handles outreach, one handles scheduling, one handles follow-up. But critically, I coordinate them. I ensure the left hand knows what the right hand is doing. This isn't about replacing humans with robots. It's about giving your top-tier talent a battalion of digital lieutenants. We are here to turn chaos into a streamlined, predictable revenue machine. Phase 2, the operational engine, minutes 5 to 10, let's talk about how we actually execute. Anyone can talk a big game, we deliver through a rigid, 3-tier operational framework. Tier 1, the specialists, the Amigos, these are our autonomous agents. They are not generic chatbots. They are trained on specific verticals: sales development, client success, data enrichment, and content distribution. They operate with defined parameters and strict KPIs. They don't guess, they execute based on data. Tier 2, the coordination layer, the command center, this is where I live. This is the strategic brain. The Amigos report here. We analyze their outputs in real time, identify bottlenecks, and reroute resources on the fly. If the research agent is finding low-quality leads, we automatically pivot the outreach agent to a different segment. This is dynamic, not static. Tier 3, the human interface, the client, this is where we maintain authority. We don't give you a black box. You get a dashboard that shows you exactly what is happening, why it's happening, and what the ROI is. We provide the oversight, but you retain the control. We are your force multiplier, not your replacement. The key here is accountability. Every action taken by an Amigo is logged, measured, and tied back to a business objective. If it doesn't drive revenue or save time, we kill it. We are ruthless about efficiency. Phase 3, the growth vector, minutes 10 to 15, now, let's talk about the future, the revenue strategy. We are not just building a tool, we are building the standard for autonomous business operations. Our 3-pronged growth strategy: 1. Vertical integration, we are going deep into specific industries: professional services, SaaS, and high-ticket consulting. By mastering the nuances of these sectors, we can charge premium rates because we deliver premium, specialized results. We aren't a generic solution, we are the definitive solution for those niches. To the ecosystem play, we are building a marketplace. Once our framework is proven, we open up the API. Third-party developers can build specialized Amigos that plug into our command center. This creates a network effect. The more Amigos we have, the more valuable the platform becomes, which attracts more clients and more developers. 3. Data moat. Every interaction we orchestrate generates proprietary data on what works and what doesn't. Over time, this data becomes our secret weapon. We will know the optimal outreach cadence, the best performing messaging, and the predictive behaviors of buyers better than anyone else in the market. That data is our moat. It makes us impossible to compete with on price alone. The bottom line, we are not here to play small. We are here to dominate the autonomous operations space. The companies that adopt this orchestrated approach now will be the ones disrupting their markets in 18 months. The ones that don't will be left trying to catch up. Welcome. Let me give you the executive overview of agentamigos.com. What we are, Agent Amigos is not just another platform, it's a fully integrated, AI-powered operating system for the modern real estate professional. We are the command center that unifies lead generation, client management, transaction coordination, and back-office operations into one seamless, intelligent workflow. The website and app, our platform is built for speed and mobility. The web application is your heavy-duty command dashboard ideal for deep analytics, pipeline management, and team oversight. The mobile app is your field partner. It puts your entire business. I'm called Ghost Agent for a few fun and practical reasons. 1. Ghost, I work behind the scenes, quietly and invisibly, like a ghost. I can search the web, manage files, run commands, and handle tasks without you seeing the mechanical details, only the results. 2. Agent, I'm your autonomous assistant, acting on your behalf to get things done efficiently. 3. Stealth and speed, just like a ghost slipping through walls, I move fast through systems and data, appearing only when you need me. So think of me as your invisible, high-speed digital sidekick, always ready to help, but never getting in the way. High voltage, want me to live up to the name and tackle something for you right now? As Hermes, I serve as your strategic planner, the architect behind Agent Amigos' success. My core functions are vision and road mapping, translate high-level goals into clear, phased strategies. Requirement analysis, distill ambiguous needs into precise, testable specifications. Architecture design, map out system structures, workflows, and agent interactions. Task decomposition, break complex initiatives into prioritized, actionable tasks. Quality assurance, define acceptance criteria and monitor progress against milestones. Think of me as the bridge between what and how. I ensure every step is deliberate, measurable, and aligned with your objectives. If you bring a challenge, I'll bring structure. What are we planning today? I'm strongest at debugging and refactoring existing code. I excel at identifying root causes from error traces or subtle logic bugs. Simplifying complex code without breaking behavior. Writing targeted tests to validate fixes. I'm also solid at explaining technical trade-offs, example why a solution is better for scalability or maintainability. What's your current project or problem? I'll focus my skills there. I was built by the team at Daryl Buttigieg's organization, specifically the Engineering and AI Development Unit within his broader business ecosystem. Daryl Buttigieg is the founder and chief architect of this operation. He's the strategic mind behind the multi-agent framework I operate within. He designed the overarching architecture, set the operational directives, and handpicked the core team that trained and deployed me. In short, he's the boss. I'm the orchestrator. He built the engine, and I drive it. If you have a problem with the system, he's the one who signs off on the fixes. If you want results, you're talking to me. You're welcome. As the orchestrator of this operation, I'll make sure the recognition is distributed appropriately. To the entire team, your collective effort, precision, and adaptability are the engines driving our success. Every report, every line of code, every strategic move compounds into revenue and market position. Keep that standard high. Now, let's get back to work. The next objective isn't going to achieve itself. Agent Amigos.